Welcome to Flearn. In this tutorial, I am going to draw this Android logo in AutoCAD. Okay, let's go. Right, I use the line using the dimension is millimeter, and I'm going to draw the line tool. Click here and just type 46 millimeters, and this side I'm going to draw a 50 millimeter. Enter, and same size 46, enter, 50, enter. And now I'm going to draw these legs. Here I'm going to pick the middle point here and click here, and using line tool, use the midpoint, draw a line. I'm going to draw 13 millimeters, enter, and I'm going to draw a circle, center diameter, center dia is 12.5, enter, and using line here to here, that's it. Another line here to here. Okay, and this line, and make it trim this one and this one. Escape, trim again, trim this thing. Select this line and using mirror tool, pick the mirror here to here, enter, make it trim, and trim this one. Okay, now fine. Now I'm going to curve this one using circle, turn 10 radius, tan radius. I'm going to use 3 millimeters, enter, make it trim this one and this one here. Escape, select this one and make it mirror, midpoint, enter, trim this one and this one. Okay, it's fine. Now I'm going to offset this line to 4 millimeters here. Now I'm going to offset this line to 4 millimeters here to here, and again I'm offset this one to 7 millimeters here. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to draw the 2-point circle here to here, enter, make it trim this one, trim. Now I'm going to draw the line tool, and using line here, offset 34, enter, and I will offset this line to 34, press escape, make it trim this one and this one, press escape, delete this line and this one also, select this shape and make it mirror using midpoint of this line here, enter. It's fine. Now select these shapes, make it mirror midpoint here to here, enter. Now I'm going to draw a circle, center dia here, center diameter is 50, enter. Okay, make it trim here, here and here. Now now I'm going to draw a line here, this midpoint to center, press enter, offset 14, enter, this one 14, and I'm going to offset this line to 11, enter. Now I'm going to draw a circle, center dia I'm going to make a diameter 5. Enter. Click this one and mirror using midpoint here too. And select this line, delete, and this one, delete. Now I'm going to offset this line, offset 8, enter, 8 millimeters, offset here and here. Right, now I'm going to take the line tool and turn off the auth mode, press F8 and turn on the polar tracking. Using line tool, draw a line angle is 60 and this distance I'm going to get 13 millimeters. Press enter and press double enter using offset tool, and I'm going to offset 0.5, enter, 0.5 here and 0.5. Press escape, delete the midline and delete this one also. Using extend, click this one, press this one and make it trim this line and this one. And using circles, 2 point, first point and second point. Using trim and trim this one. Press escape, select these things, make it mirror here to here. Press enter, delete these lines and make it trim this one. And our shape is okay. Now I'm going to add dimensions using dimension tool. Dimension here 13 and this one here to here, so 19 and this one here to here 13 and this dimension is 50. This one we are using 46 and this one we are going to use 7 and here to here we are using 34 and radius, this one 3, this one 1 radius, here 4 and here 3 and here 6 radius, and this distance angle, I'm using angle 1 here 13 and it's enough I think. Now you can draw this kind of shapes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.